How to fix WhatsApp black or white screen on iPhone. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a black or white screen on WhatsApp if you're using an iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So first, try restarting the WhatsApp app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen just a little bit, then swipe up fully on WhatsApp to close it. Now open it again and see if it's back to normal. If that didn't do the trick, let's move on to the next fix. Open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Wait for it to load. Scroll down and find WhatsApp. Tap on it. Press Offload app. Confirm your choice, and once it's done, press Reinstall app. Once that's finished, try launching WhatsApp again and see if it works now. Still not fixed? No problem. Head back to Settings, go to the main screen, scroll all the way down and open the apps drawer. Here, search for WhatsApp and open it. Make sure all the necessary permissions are enabled, like access to your photos, contacts, microphone, etc. Once you've done that, swipe up again to close both WhatsApp and Settings. Then open WhatsApp and check if everything's back to normal. Hopefully, one of these steps fixed the issue. If it did, drop a like and consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.